Welcome to episode 16 of LMC TV. This 2011 GMC Yukon is a large four-door sport utility vehicle. Although it drives like a smaller SUV, you'll receive increased power and greater composed handling than expected from a truck this size. Efficiency is definitely not compromised with this vehicle. Allowing for up to 8-passenger seating, this is the perfect car for large families. This vehicle comes with 17-inch bright aluminum sport wheels accompanied by a full set of all-season black wall tires and 4-wheel drive. You'll breeze through the streets on a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, and you'll get approximately 15 to 21 miles per gallon with city highway driving. The internal design features premium ebony cloth and black interior panels. The wood grain accents, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and padded armrests amalgamate to effortlessly demonstrate GMC's superior quality. The premium sound system offers a CD player and an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth auxiliary and MP3 input capabilities. Your entertainment can be quickly controlled with the steering wheel integrated audio controls, or even controlled by the rear seat passengers by their own control panel. This Yukon is clear of any accidents or damages and has received an above perfect score of 87 out of 86 on Autocheck. Although the third row seating cannot be collapsed internally, it can be externally removed from the vehicle, adding additional cargo space. This radiant Yukon is wrapped up in a pure silver metallic exterior coat and garnished with a chrome surround grille and a bonus trailering hitch able to tow up to 8,400 pounds. Safety features include automatic crash response, power steering, stability and traction control, tire pressure monitor system, and electronic cruise control with steering wheel mounted controls. With a beautifully refined interior and hefty body frame, this Yukon is both commodious and luxurious. We can't wait for you to come on in for a test drive. Give us a ring to make an appointment or visit us down at Longmeadow Motor Cars today.